Hello and welcome to your personal update for Siebel CRM 24.7, brought to you by the Siebel Hub, your #1 resource for always up-to-date Siebel CRM training. Oracle launches into the second half of 2024 with the July release of Siebel 24. The Siebel CRM 24.7 update package and higher includes the following features and enhancements. Deleting delivered developer workspaces is at the workspace administrator's disposal. Steps in test scripts can be executed or skipped based on conditions. TinyMCE replaces CK Editor as the rich text editor in charge. Users of the OCI AI integration will find new user properties and samples REST payloads. Several issues have been addressed for promotions in Siebel Customer Order Management, and Apache Tomcat is updated to 9.0.88. Keeping a clean and happy repository is a major concern for the responsible Siebel CRM workspace administrator. Many customer projects have amassed hundreds, if not thousands, of developer workspaces. This not only causes confusion, as finding a specific workspace becomes increasingly difficult, but also can have significant performance impact. If the project team chose to use integration workspaces, cleaning up is relatively simple. For several years, Siebel CRM supports the deletion of integration workspaces, deleting all child workspaces in one fell swoop. Trouble starts when you have a lot of delivered developer workspaces under the main branch. Until 24.7, those were not allowed to delete. Project teams had to resort to the flatten workspace command if they wanted a clean slate, a risky endeavor which Oracle only recommends under certain circumstances. With 24.7 and higher, developer workspaces with a delivered status can be deleted, either one by one or in batch via the new Delete Delivered Dev Workspace switch for the Sieb Dev CLI utility. Authors of Siebel test scripts will rejoice over the new condition field that's been added to the test step list and form applet. Starting in 24.7, the test automation logic will evaluate the content of each step's condition field when a test script is executed. If the field is empty or contains a condition that evaluates to true, the test step will be executed. If the field contains a condition that evaluates to false, the test step will be skipped. This is a major improvement, as test script writers can now design test scripts that adapt to different environments or data. Having to maintain several copies of the same script to account for different conditions is now a thing of the past. Users of rich text editors, for example the HTML email template editor, will notice a difference in functionality and tools available for formatting the text. The reason for this is the replacement of the underlying third-party product. In 24.6 and earlier, Siebel OpenUI comes with CK Editor. In 24.6 and earlier, Siebel OpenUI comes with CK Editor. In 24.7 and higher, TinyMCE is used to support rich text editing. Since 22.10, Siebel CRM provides 2 example use cases for integration with Oracle Artificial Intelligence services on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. One of these use cases is the transcription of speech recordings into text for service request attachments. With 24.7, Oracle introduces additional user properties for the service request attachment business component. In addition, the application's administration guide has been updated with sample REST payloads and responses to the Siebel OCI AI web service. Siebel CRM 24.7 is a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this little summary. And now, over to Alex for some important information on how you and your team can keep up with all the changes and new features. Alex?
Thank you, Scott. Here's Alex from Blacksheep IT Consulting with a little update on what you can do to stay up to date with the monthly updates that Oracle releases for Siebel CRM. Keeping up with 12 updates per year can be hard, but it doesn't have to be. So follow me to the Siebel Hub learning experience and let's have a look together. Go to siebelhub.com and open the Siebel CRM training menu. You will find there not only training for experienced Siebel professionals, but also for new hires and people who want to just refresh their knowledge on what's new in Siebel. The Siebel New Features courses, for example, are a perfect start for anybody who has a prior experience in Siebel and wants to get an update on the latest features, including, for example, OCI AI integration or Apache Kafka, etc. We have the classic Siebel training like Siebel scripting, OpenUI Basics, OpenUI Professionals. You can learn anything about Siebel integration, upgrading, and we pride ourselves having the best, always up-to-date training for Siebel developers, Siebel administrators, and even specialized training such as public sector, order management, training for business analysts, and Siebel CRM reports. So take a look at siebelhub.com today and contact us for any questions about Siebel CRM training. Thanks much for watching, take care, and bye-bye.